Why is nobody talking about the groundwork for your financial success? There is so much talk about financial independence and wealth creation, but nobody lays down the basics you really need to know and understand if you want to become financially independent and grow your wealth. So, whether you are a financial novice, an aspiring retiree, or someone looking to improve their financial knowledge, you're at the right place, because today we are laying down the groundwork for your financial success. We'll start covering the basics everyone needs to know before diving deeper into more advanced topics in the videos that will follow. So grab your notebook or open your favorite note-taking app and let's get started. First things first. Let's talk about the importance of having a solid financial foundation. Just like building a house, you need a strong base to support everything else. Without it, your financial plans can easily crumble. Unfortunately, this strong base is not taught in schools. But don't worry, we'll go through these foundational elements right here on my channel. So if you haven't yet, consider subscribing right now and pave your road to financial independence and wealth creation with me. Alright, so what are those foundational elements? There are 4 areas we need to focus on: budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. Building a strong financial foundation is essential because it sets the stage for all your future financial decisions. Without a solid base, it's easy to fall into debt, miss out on saving and investment opportunities, and struggle to achieve your financial goals. By focusing on budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management, you'll create a stable and secure financial environment for you and your family. In this video, we'll start with budgeting. A budget is essentially a plan for your money. It helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you live within your financial means and allocate funds toward your financial goals. Think of it as your financial roadmap. Now, creating a budget might seem daunting, but it's actually simpler than you think. Actually, at the end of this video, I'll share a completely free monthly budget template, which I created just for you, so there are no excuses left. Once you have chosen your budget template app or whatever you want to use, start by listing your income sources and then monthly expenses. Categorize your expenses into needs and wants. This will help you identify the areas where you can cut back and save more. Do you really need that daily coffee shop visit? Can you find a cheaper phone plan? Small changes can add up to significant savings over time. Expenses can also be divided into fixed expenses, such as mortgage, utilities, and insurance, and variable expenses like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. By tracking this, you can see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. Then we have income sources. Income sources can include your salary, freelance work, side hustles, and any other money you receive regularly. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, set realistic financial goals. This could be short-term goals like saving for vacation or long-term goals like buying a house. Having a clear goal will motivate you to push through and make sure you stick to your budget. Then allocate portions of your income towards these goals and stick to your budget to achieve them. Here are some tips to make budgeting easier and more effective. First, use a spreadsheet or a budgeting app. Review your budget regularly and adjust if needed. Include a fun money category to avoid feeling deprived. And be honest with yourself about your spending habits. Now, let's look at an example of a monthly budget. Suppose your monthly income is $3,000. You might allocate $1,000 to rent, $200 for utilities, $300 for groceries, $100 for transportation, $200 for entertainment, $200 for savings, and $1,000 for debt repayment. By breaking down these expenses like this, you can see exactly where your money is going and make informed decisions about your spending. Remember, budgeting is a continuous process. Regularly review and adjust your budget to stay on track with your financial goals. A well-planned budget allows you to achieve financial stability and a peace of mind. Budgeting might seem intimidating at first, but by setting clear goals, tracking your income and expenses, and making small adjustments, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. And to make it easier, yes, I didn't forget, use the budgeting template I made just for you. You can find it in the video description down below. Budgeting is one of the 4 essentials for your financial independence and wealth growth. In my next videos, I will talk about the other 3 essentials. So saving, investing, and debt management. So don't forget to subscribe. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need these tips. See you in the next video. Until then, I'm cheering for you. Bye bye.